Hey guys, so today we're going to be making this beautiful top. It's the Eva pattern from fabricstore.com. I'll add their website in the description box down below. But yeah, I have this beautiful linen that I'm trying to use, and I think the two will be a great match together. So yeah, let's begin. So as you can see, this is the back bodice piece. I've cut out the fabric according to the pattern. On the edges, I want to make sure it doesn't fray, so I'm going to zigzag stitch these edges. I'll do the same along the next edge too. This next piece is the front bodice. There's two of these. This next piece is the sleeves, and yeah, well, we obviously both know that there's two of these too. We're going to straight stitch along this edge by first folding the sleeve in half. Zigzag stitch along all the edges so as the fabric doesn't fray. As you can see here, I'm just zigzag stitching the edges. As you can see, I'm finishing up my raw edges by using the roll technique. I'm folding my fabric twice and then sewing as close to the edge as possible. Next, the sleeves, we're going to straight stitch 1 centimeter away from the edge. Then we're going to follow that up with a zigzag stitch. Now for sleeve 2, just follow the same process as the first sleeve. Now that that's complete, let's attach both the front and the back bodice pieces. I'm doing this using pins. We will be attaching these pieces at the shoulder edges first. And then the same thing along the torso edge. When this is all done, we're going to straight stitch along the pin edges and zigzag stitch to clean up. Repeat the same process for the other side of the torso. Now that that's complete, let's attach the sleeves. I first make sure that the sleeve is inside out and then match the stitch of the sleeve to one of the torso and then pin that together and then pin along the whole of the bodice. When this is complete, we'll straight stitch where the pins are 1 centimeter away from the edge and then follow it up with a zigzag stitch. Let's repeat this process for the other arm. Straight stitch 1 centimeter away from the edges. Repeat the same process for the other side. Now for the cleanup, we're going to zigzag stitch along the whole top's edges. Now we're going to finish it by using the fold technique and folding the fabric along the edge twice and straight stitching as close to the edge as possible. Once everything's cleaned up, your top is officially done and ready to wear. Let's see the final product.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time.
So as you guys can see, this was an easy pattern to follow. I just made mine a bit too big, so if I were to make this top again, which I most likely will, I'll just make it a size smaller. But yeah, I think it would just be best if you just measure yourself beforehand. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching this long, and I'll see you next time.
Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like